These satisfying ASMR videos are taking over TikTok and YouTube, and people can't stop watching. Some creators are hitting 1 to 10 million views in just one day and gaining hundreds of thousands of subscribers. This TikToker posted only 16 videos and hit over 50 million views and 150K new followers in just 6 days. Another creator pulled in 38 million views, 3.5 million likes, and 657K shares in just a week. These creators earn ad revenue within just days. But here's the wild part. They're also using other clever strategies to pull in over $7,500 every month. In this video, I'll break it all down so you can learn exactly how it works and start making your first real income online. If that sounds good, give me a like and let's get started. Making these glass fruit cutting ASMR videos seems easy, right? Just ask ChatGPT to write a prompt, paste it into an AI video tool, and boom, you're done. But hold up, nuh-uh, don't do it like that. If you want the AI to create exactly what you imagine, you need a clear, detailed prompt the AI can actually understand. That's the hardest part. And if you skip it, you'll waste your credits, your time, and your patience. So how do you go from this to this? Use my prompt template. I spent hours testing and refining it to make sure it works almost every time. It has 6 customizable spots. Just fill in the red parts with your creative ideas. I've linked the Google Doc in the description, and yes, it's 100% free. All I ask? Give this video a like. Now let's walk through an example. Copy one of the prompt templates, open Canva, click Canva AI on the left panel, paste in the prompt, then select Create a Video Clip, tweak your settings, and click Generate. By the way, Canva offers a 30-day free trial, but you'll need to register and add a payment method to unlock pro features. Let's take a look at the final result together. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Now let's talk about how creators are actually making money. Like I mentioned earlier, some are selling digital products. Basically, written guides that teach others how to make ASMR videos. They place the product link right at the top of their profile. Let's do the math. If the guide sells for $15 and they sell just 500 copies a month, that's $7,500 in passive income, without relying on ads. And yes, you can do this too. First, post your ASMR videos on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Then, create a simple but detailed PDF tutorial. Go to Gumroad, click Start Selling, and fill in your product title, description, cover image, and price. That's it. You're ready to sell. Once your content gains traction, the income will follow. But wait, there's more. You can even sell your prompts online. On PromptBase, people are selling prompts for around $5 each. That's another stream of income you could tap into. So yeah, this video didn't just show you how to make money, it probably saved you $5 too. Just kidding, kind of. If you want to learn more monetization tips or just want help writing prompts, drop a comment. And if this video helped you publish your first piece, leave a comment and let me know. I'd love to be your very first viewer. Thanks for watching.